What is Thana number in revenue terminology?
Sir, earlier there was a concept of revenue thana, under which it was the jurisdiction of.
I am asking about only those Thana, revenue Thana. I am not asking about any police station.
Yeah, this is what I'm saying, sir.
What?
It can be used to hold something.
Paperweight.
Paperweights.
Okay.
बिहार टेनेंसी एक्ट इज बिहार टेनेंसी एक्ट, संथाल परगना टेनेंसी एक्ट और छोटा नागपुर टेनेंसी एक्ट कब बना है?
Good morning, sir.
Yes,
Good morning,
sir.
sir.
Shweta,
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
you are from Dhanbad?
Sir, I was born in Dhanbad, as
Okay.
my father was serving in police, Jharkhand police service there.
And you have worked in IB.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And at present you are revenue officer.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean? What type of revenue officer? Because
Sir,
even collector is a revenue officer, commissioner is a revenue officer.
sir, in Bihar, through BPSC, the post of the circle officer is taken through revenue officer, act as a probationary CU. After certain hours, they are promoted to circle officer.
So you are there as circle officer, CO,
Yes, sir.
working there.
Yes.
Already, but then again you want to be a circle officer here?
Sir, actually, I want to serve in Jharkhand states.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good.
When did you join the circle officer there?
Circle officer, sir, in 2022. Since 2022.
In extracurricular, you have written Madhubani painting. So, do you know Madhubani? How, from which area of the state the Madhubani painting?
Yes, sir. Sir, this is the folk art of Bihar, which originated from Madhubani region, Mithilanchal region of Bihar.
Different forms of Madhubani painting.
Yes, sir. There are certain forms like Kachni, Bharni, Godna, Tantrik, Kobar. These are the different forms of the Madhubani paintings.
I mean, in Jharkhand right now, there is one health scheme of the CM. So, do you know anything about it?
Sir, yes, I have certain idea. Like it is introducing health insurance scheme for state government employees as well as for the public representatives, through which just like in center there is a CGHS system for the health schemes. So here the government is planning on the same models. They are issuing card, and private hospitals and other hospitals in panels, the employees would be entitled to get treatment there.
What about the public?
So for public, there is a scheme, CM Abu Swasthya health insurance scheme, sir.
How much insurance per annual year is there?
Pardon, sir?
How much insurance cover is there in that?
Sir, exactly no idea, but I can guess, sir.
No, no.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Where are you posted right now?
Sir, I am currently posted in Sahasra district of Bihar.
अंचल कौन सा है?
Sir, I am posted in Survey Division. Survey and Settlement Office.
ठीक है, very good. Kindly tell me, बिहार टेनेंसी एक्ट इज बिहार टेनेंसी एक्ट, संथाल परगना टेनेंसी एक्ट और छोटा नागपुर टेनेंसी एक्ट कब बना है?
Sir, Bihar Tenancy Act, it was enacted in 1885 during Britisher time, and CNT Act, Chota Nagpur Tenancy Act, it was enacted in 1908, and Santhal Pargana Tenancy Act, it was enacted in 1949. Sir.
What is Thana number in revenue terminology?
Sir, earlier there was a concept of revenue thana, under which it was the jurisdiction of.
I am asking about only those Thana, revenue Thana. I am not asking about any police station.
Yes, sir. Sir, earlier the Britishers, they divided the areas on the basis of the revenue thana. So in the village, it can be more than 2-3 thanas and others most. On the basis of that, certain number of villages come under a particular thana, sir. From
Every
which,
revenue village has a thana number, and thana number is the serial number of a village starting from northwest ending in southeast.
okay, sir.
Be clear. What is khata number?
So, during the formation of the Khatyan in the initial stage, every Rayat is given a number, that is Khata number. The Khata number of each Rayat is different in the formation of the Khatyan, and just like a bank account number.
And what is the meaning of a rayat?
So, Rayat,
Rayat is
one who pay rent,
who pays rent to the
government.
गवर्नमेंट. आप ये बता दो मुझे कि वो रेंट जो आप काटती हो तो उसमें रेंट क्या रहता है और सेस क्या रहता है?
Sir, says 4% says there is, sir, and just nominal amount of rent.
नो नो, अगर रेंट 1 रुपया है,
Hmm.
एजुकेशन और हेल्थ सेस होगा 50%,
Agree, says.
एग्रीकल्चर होगा 20% और रोड रहता है 25%. मतलब 1 रुपया का 1 रुपया 45 पैसा लगता है.
Okay, sir.
So being a revenue officer, you must know these very small things which is very pertinent. What is Kaisre Hind land?
Sir, Kesre Hinland, during Britisher time, there were certain lands under the jurisdiction of the British.
Certain lands, what are those certain lands?
Like where the offices of the British colonial governments was there.
पोस्ट ऑफिस, डिफेंस, रेलवे एंड कम्युनिकेशंस जो है
Yes, sir.
वो उसका ज्यादातर. ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी यहाँ ट्रेड करने के लिए आई हुई थी ना.
Yes, sir. So
ठीक
there
है.
were two types of the land which was under the Jamindar jurisdiction, and certain type of land which was under the Britishers themselves. So after the abolition of the Jamindari systems, all lands were invested in the state governments. The land which were taken from the Britisher governments, that was considered as a Keshre Hind. It can be either of central government or a state government, because there was a governor general as well as viceroy, so the both were having their.
What is 10th schedule of the Constitution of India?
Sir, it is related to anti-defections, and it was enacted in 1984.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
So, Shweta,
Yes, sir.
you are a qualified electrical engineer.
Yes, sir.
Actually, you can really contribute in government. What is this? What is this?
Sir, a bottle of water.
Bottle of water. Can you, I mean, what is the use of it? Drinking
Sir,
water?
multiple purposes. Yes, sir.
What can multiple purposes be? Use of this bottle? Can you tell me different and what other ways it can be used?
Sir, first of all, for drinking purpose. First.
Okay, because there is water is there, so I can drink.
Yes, sir. Next, sir, it can be used. Sir, use of bottle or water you are asking?
Anything which is there, I mean everything, whatever you see here.
So it can be used for hydroponic plantations as well. Next is can be used for aesthetic beauty as well. It can be used for aesthetic beauty as a holder of putting some things over the bottles. It can be used as a supporting pillar.
Okay. What else comes to your mind?
Yeah, this is what I am saying, sir.
What?
It can be used to hold something.
Paperweight.
Paperweight, sir.
Okay. What is this? If I throw it this missile,
To strike someone.
yes, it शस्त्र है. शस्त्र नहीं?
Yes.
कैसा शस्त्र?
Can be destructive.
Which can be thrown on others. Okay. Anyway.